Hello, everyone. My name is Patrick Hagan. I will be talking about the public financing on the U.S. Bank Stadium. First, I will be talking about the support. The public support was mostly positive. A large portion of the public funding came from charitable gambling, pull tabs, and other charitable events like that. They use about $30 million annually from corporate taxes to refill the reserve account for upkeep and costs per year on the stadium. The support increased expectations, and they now have a surplus and are using that to repair roads, parks in Minneapolis. At the start of their deal to start a account for the new stadium, they were making a little bit money, but after 2013 through 2018, they made enough, so they had a huge surplus and are now benefiting the city of Minneapolis. Next, I will be talking about why the public was against it. Some season ticket holders were disappointed in the pricing and rezoning of their seats. Pricing went up about $600 per year on the average season ticket, and then to have a seat license, that went up to $3,500 a year. Another thing is about 150 million was provided to fund the stadium by the city of Minneapolis, their hospitality tax. Um, a lot of people weren't happy about that because they were supposed to go towards veteran homes, and people felt the need that they should have gone to the veteran homes instead of the new stadium. Next, I will be talking about the political issues. Some people felt it was unfair that the reserve account went towards the stadium rather than veterans' homes. Governor Dayton was facing a lot of backlash. People were making rumors that he didn't care about the veteran homes, but it turns out he did make a different account for the veterans' homes that didn't lose any money. And with the charitable gambling and the pull tabs, it helped fund the stadium in a different account, so it didn't affect the veterans' account at all. Some complaints about the cost of upkeep is too high. It's known for the People's Stadium, but the cost of going to the game is too high for the average person. Everyone is paying for the stadium, but a lot of people can't go to it. Next, I will be talking about the financial structure. Most of the funding came from the state of Minnesota, 348 million, and about 150 million came from the city of Minneapolis, and 477 million came from the Vikings organization. Under the stadium finance law, the state will pay costs until 2021 when the city convention center bonds are retired. Thank you everyone for listening to my presentation. Hope everyone has a good day. Thank you.